Hello everyone and welcome back to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an active Python virtual environment in Ubuntu. So this is super important if you want to install different software libraries without breaking your main system, and the process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, we need to make sure you have the tool required to build these environments. It is called Python 3-venv. So just simply open your terminal by going to your Apps menu, then Terminal. Now inside your terminal, just simply copy and paste the simple commands that are provided to you in the description box below. Paste sudo apt update, then hit enter. Add your password, and then paste the second command once it is done. Paste sudo apt install Python 3-venv-y. So now paste the second command right over here and then hit enter. And this installs the factory that builds the environment. Now once that is completed, let's build one. We will now create a virtual environment named my_env in your current folder. So just simply copy and paste the simple command. Paste Python 3 space -m space venv space my_env. Now you can change the name, obviously, if you want to. It's totally up to you. Then hit enter. Now wait for a few seconds. So when you hit enter, it might look like nothing happened, but that's good. It means it quickly created a new folder named my_env with a fresh copy of Python inside it. So now for the critical step, turning it on. We need to tell your terminal to stop using system Python and start using the new special one. We do this with the source command. So copy and paste the prompt in the description box below. Paste source space my_env/bin/activate, and then hit enter. And when you will do this, watch your command prompt closely. You should see my_env over here, up here in parentheses at the very start of your line. If you see that text, congratulations, you are now inside the virtual environment, and any library you install now will stay strictly inside this bubble. So when you are done working and want to go back to normal, you don't need to close the window. You just need to type one simple word, and that is deactivate. So you simply enter that and hit enter. And that's it. You now know how to create, activate, and leave a virtual environment in Ubuntu. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.